Hello students, welcome to you in this video. Param Guru Pathsala English Medium School, Sarsa. My name is Master Kamini. Today I am taking for class 1. My subject name is EVS. To unit number 4, that is we need a house. Today I cover topic that introduce hard words and textbook lesson explain. So I hope dear students you have to pay attention here and listen me carefully. So let's start. This is your chapter's title that we need a house. Then I have to draw hard words in a house. You can see which kinds of house here draw. This is the pakka house, means with the help of cement, brick, irons make a pakka house. And concept of houses we here given that I have to explain in this chapter. First I introduce hard words. So listen me carefully. Each hard words I will read 2 times and then explain you. Okay. First spelling is that. Wait. That. Neat. Neat. Neat means clean. Neat means clean. Doors. Doors. Doors means darwaja, window. This is just familiar words also given, not only the hard words. Familiar words and hard words also given that you have to study it in senior KG, junior KG or your daily life also. So sunlight, SUNLIGHT, sunlight. Fresh, FRESH, fresh. Air, AIR, air. Garden, GARDEN, garden. Steel, STEEL, steel. Yeah, at your home you have to eat with the spoon. That spoon made up of steel. And when you have to outside the home you have to eat something with that here that given plastic spoon. Okay. Cement, CEMENT, cement. Towns, TOWNS, towns means nagar, city. House, HOUSE, house. Protect, PROTECT, protect. Bad weathers, बैड वेदर्स मीन गंदा, बहुत एटमॉस्फेयर क्लीन नहीं होता, बारिश आने वाली होती है, तूफान आने वाला होता है, इट्स कॉल्ड बैड वेदर्स. वाइल्ड, बैड वेदर स्पेलिंग स्पेल आउट, सॉरी, BADWEATHER, बैड वेदर्स. Wild animals, WILD, wild, ANIMALS, animals, wild animals. Thieves, THIEVES, thieves means chore. Roof, ROOF, roof. House, once again the house spelling is given HOUSE, house. Strong, STRONG, strong. Floor, FLOOR, floor. Clean, neat and clean, the similar word of that, CLEAN, clean. Floor means आपके घर में जो लादी होती है टाइल्स, सेम इसको क्या कहते हैं, फ्लोर. क्लीन, CLEAN, क्लीन. कच्चा हाउस, KACHCHAHOUSE, कच्चा हाउस मीन विद द हेल्प ऑफ लकड़ियाँ, मड, स्ट्रो, वो सब की हेल्प से बना होता है हाउस, उसको क्या कहते हैं, कच्चा हाउस. पक्का हाउस, PAKKAHOUSE, पक्का हाउस. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट आई हैव टू क्लियर इन एक्सप्लेन द लेसन. विलेजेस, VILLAGES, विलेजेस इन गाँव. मड, मड मीन्स काव के, काव डग के होती है ना, काव की छान होती है, सेम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, मड. वुड, WOOD, वुड, लकड़ियाँ. स्ट्रो, ब्रिक्स, आयरन. Now here the drawing room, this is the your rooms in house, your room departments also called its names, house names also. Each room have contain names, so pay attention this spelling also. Drawing room, dining room, study room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and last word your cities. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस हर्ड वर्ड्स नॉट सेम वे, आपको इसी वे में नहीं लिखना है, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन योर ओन वे. हर्ड वर्ड्स 1 टाइम you have to write down in similar way, that you have to part here line 1 times and 2 times, and then homework. In homework you have to write down each spelling 3 times, that is NEAT, 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 neat. Okay, dear students, one more homework from you, that see in the picture what you have to find out. कच्चा हाउस दैट इज हट एंड झुपड़ी कैसे ड्रॉ कर रखी है. सो आपको वही झुपड़ी मीन्स कच्चा हाउस वाली झुपड़ी आपको ड्रॉ करनी है. हियर इन द ट्री आई हैव टू होमवर्क दैट हार्ड वर्क, राइट डाउन 3 times एंड ड्रॉ दैट झुपड़ी दैट इज कच्चा हाउस इन योर notebook. Now lessons start. That is your chapter textbook, page number 157, EVS Cordova textbook, and page number 157, chapter number 4, we need a house. This is your activity, textbook activity, that if you have textbook then do it, otherwise when you got the textbook you have to see in that video and then you have to do that activity. Join the dots and color the picture to make it beautiful. पिक्चर को ज्वाइन करो और सॉरी join the dot. First of all you have to all the dot you have to join and then make a one beautiful picture and write down here my home. जैसे मैंने मोबाइल में लिखा है वैसे सेम you have to write down that my home and color. You know the colors of the rainbow colors. You have to use very beautiful color in this house and draw in this house. Now we have to discuss about your lesson, so pay attention here, and this is your activity that you have to do only in your textbook, not in your notebook. When you got, or if you have textbook then do it, and when you got the textbook you have to do this activity in your textbook only. Okay, now this is your textbook page, that we live in a house. हम हाउस में रहते हैं ना. we need a house to, हमको हाउस की क्यों ज़रूरत है? to protect us from the sun, rain, weather, wild animals and thieves. वो सब वर्ड हार्ड वर्ड्स आ गए हैं. देखो मैंने अंडरलाइन भी किया है. we need a house to protect us from the sun. हमको सन से प्रोटेक्ट मिलता है क्योंकि सन हमको मॉर्निंग में अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन इन द आफ्टरनून आपके पास हाउस ना हो और आफ्टरनून में बोला आपको तड़के में बाहर सन के नीचे बैठना हो तो कैसा फीलिंग होगा? इन अ समर डे, हॉट डे, रेनी एंड वेदर, बारिश और बैड वेदर्स मीन्स बारिश में बहुत कैसा वेरी फ्यू टाइम्स वेरी बैड वेदर्स आर कम. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड थीव्स, जंगली एनिमल्स भी आते हैं कभी भी. So here we live in a house. We need a house to protect us from the sun, rain and weather, bad weathers, wild animals and thieves. Now a roof. Roof, here picture also given, that what is the meaning of roof? The top covering of a house. हाउस का जो टॉप कवरिंग होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रूफ. इट इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. कैसा होता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग. कच्चा हाउस एंड पक्का हाउस also given and roof also given on that picture. A house as a floor. See the picture of floor also given here. Floor means हमारे घर में जो फ्लोर होता है ना, हम चलते हैं आकाश, हम घर में उड़ते हैं कभी भी? No, we have to walk on a floor. The floor must be keep neat and clean. वो कैसा होना चाहिए? Neat and clean. House also has doors and windows. Picture also given in your textbook, that doors and windows. Now we have to discuss about next page. See, the window lit in sunlight and fresh air. Lit means हमारे घर में सनलाइट जो चाहिए ना, तो विंडो तो चाहिए कि नहीं? विंडो lit in sunlight and fresh air. The doors of the house allow us to enter. Some houses may have garden also. See the picture of garden here given. हमारे घर में डोर्स होते हैं तो सनलाइट एंड फ्रेश एयर ऑल्सो एंटर इन अवर हाउस, एंड वी हैव गार्डन ऑल्सो. हियर द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ अवर हाउस, वी ऑल्सो कॉल द डिपार्टमेंट. A house has a many rooms. Different rooms are used to for different activity. हमारे घर में जितने भी रूम्स होगी उसकी एक अलग वर्क, इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क होगा. जैसे we have to discuss all parts in your textbooks, rooms, textbooks given here. First, we sit and talk with our family, friends and guests in the drawing room. We have to sit and talk with our family, friends and guests in the drawing room. It's called drawing room. You can see the picture of drawing room in mobile, and if you have textbook, then see your textbook page number 158. Second, we have our meals in the dining room. खाना कहाँ खाते हो हम? Dining room. We study in the study room. पढ़ाई कहाँ करते हो? Study room. कभी भी ऐसा देखा है कि आप डाइनिंग रूम में या ड्राइंग रूम में या बेडरूम में बैठ बैठ के पढ़ते हो? नो, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ द स्टडी रूम दैट वी हैव टू स्टडी इन द स्टडी रूम. वी टेक रेस्ट एंड स्लीप इन द बेडरूम. बेडरूम में क्या करते हो? स्लीपिंग एंड रेस्ट, आराम करना और सोना. वी टेक रेस्ट एंड स्लीप इन द बेडरूम. We take bath in the bathroom. You can see the bathroom here given is very big and very neat and clean. We take bath in the bathroom. We cook in the kitchen. किचन में क्या करते हैं हम? खाना पकाते हैं. We cook in the kitchen. Each pictures we have to carry. Most important thing is that neat and cleanliness. All we have to see here picture. See. So we must keep our house neat and clean to stay healthy. हमको अच्छा रहना है तो हमारा हाउस कैसा होना चाहिए? Neat and clean. Now we have to discuss more part of your lesson, that is here. Two MCQ are given here, that tick the correct answer. It's called MCQ and tick the correct answer also. Number 1. The top covering of a house is called blanks. A roof. 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 Top covering of a house is called a roof. Second, in which room of our house do we study? In which room of our house do we study? कौन सी रूम होती है जिसमें हम स्टडी करते हैं? That is study room. In which room of our house do we study? It's called study room. 2 MCQ you have to copy down in your notebook. First you have to write down hard words in your notebook. Then after you have to write down 2 MCQ in your notebook. Now discuss with that kacha house and pakka house explanation. There are houses of 2 types. Kacha house and pakka house. Kacha house are made up of mud, wood and straw. कच्चा हाउस किससे बना होता है? मड, वुड एंड स्ट्रो. लकड़ियाँ जड़ कर वो पत्ता, मड, वुड एंड स्ट्रो. These houses are found in villages. गांव होता है ना, these houses are found in villages. गांव में ऐसे houses आपको पाए जाते हैं. पक्का houses are made up of bricks, iron, steel, cement and wood. पक्का हाउस किससे बनते हैं? मेड अप ऑफ ब्रिक्स, आयरन, स्टील, सीमेंट एंड वुड. वो किससे बनते हैं? आयरन. दिस इज द मटेरियल फॉर द पक्का हाउस. ईंट, ब्रिक्स, आयरन, स्टील, सीमेंट एंड वुड. दीज हाउसेज आर फाउंड इन द टाउन्स एंड सिटी. ऐसे हाउसेज कहाँ फाउंड किए जाते हैं? टाउन्स एंड सिटीज. शहर, सिटीज, टाउन्स, नगर होते हैं उसमें. Nowadays पक्का हाउस आर ऑल्सो फाउंड इन विलेज. But nowadays there is the lots of changes in our country, that nowadays पक्का हाउस आर ऑल्सो फाउंड इन विलेज. गाँव में भी ऐसे पक्का हाउस बनाए देखे जाते हैं. Now we have to discuss here over your lesson, that is we need a house. हमने वाटर देखा, फूड देखा, फूड हैबिट्स देखी, सब कुछ देख लिया. एंड टुडे वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट योर हाउस. क्योंकि सब तो मिलेगा लेकिन घर रहने के लिए घर तो चाहिए ना. सो वी हैव डिस्कस थिंग दैट हाउस, वी नीड अ हाउस, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हाउस एंड प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम द हाउस. हाउस से क्या प्रोटेक्ट मिलता है हमको? रेनी सीजन, हॉट डे, बैड वेदर से हमको प्रोटेक्ट मिलता है. वी हैव टू डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आवर हाउस, दैट इज योर रूम्स, drawing room, dining room, study room, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. Also all rooms have important functions of there. And then 2 types of house we have to discuss, that kacha house and pakka house. Here your lesson is over. It is a very short lesson that given in your book, that we need a house, but short lesson, important and function is most important in your book. Now this is your homework time. See, draw kacha house peak in notebook and pakka house. आपको कच्चा हाउस का पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना आता हो, देखो मैंने तो खुद ड्रॉ किया था. आई हैव टू ड्रॉ माई सेल्फ. If you know the art of drawing, then you have to draw kacha house in your notebook. Otherwise, if you have the sticker or photocopy of the kacha house, then you have to stick in your notebook after 2 MCQ. Hard words MCQ, and then you have to draw kacha house and pakka house. Here I will give you the pakka house pictures also. Okay, very soon we will meet with your textbook exercise, that is question answer, MCQ, blanks, true false, and one activity also I have to give one in the next exercise and next video also. Dear students, I hope you understood whole the lesson with the explanations, and I have to give one homework too, so you have to complete in your notebook. Very soon we will meet with our next video with the textbooks lessons. Now dear students, this is your new homework also, that write down or identify each picture and write its name in given box. Here which kinds of rooms you have to identify, that you have to write down in your box. That picture of books, computer, table, study table. So here you have to write down here the study room. Next two pictures are given here, that one is your, you can identify which kinds of rooms here, that bed, and second picture the table, chairs and flower pots, very beautiful, decorative and neat and clean. So here you have to write down that bedroom and dining room, that is your dining table given, and we have to eat from that table. So eat on the table, on the table. So here you have to write down two names, that the bedroom and dining table. Now we have to, next picture is that identify, the next picture is that your what you have to see in this picture. You can see the utensils, cleanliness, and arrange the all dabbas very good and very nicely. They had decorative that room, so we can identify which kinds of rooms here given. The rooms is given that your kitchen. Here you have to write down the spelling of kitchen. So 4 activity, 5, almost 6 activity you have to write down in your notebook. If you have the photocopy or draw, then you have to draw and photocopy, stick in your notebook and write down its names, labels also. That we have to discuss about kacha house, pakka house, and one more activity, that 4 rooms, 4 houses, departments of our houses or room, that is your study room, or next is that bedroom, and then dining room, and here kitchen. So you have to identify the rooms and write down its name and spelling on given the box. So dear students, we will meet with our next video with your textbooks lessons exercise, that I have to solve and show you the all exercise from this way of video. Okay, be the best and buy the best. And dear students, we have to write down homework completely in your notebook also. Okay, here one activity is remain, sorry for that. Which kinds of rooms, here you can see very carefully that here rooms is given, that your drawing room, that we have to discuss with your family, and family members meet at the night or whenever they got the time, and meet with each other and talk with each other. It is the room of drawing room, that very beautifully decorative and neat and clean. You can see in this picture also. You have to write down this spelling of drawing room here, and then copy down from same as it, where we have to discuss all the activity, and you have also write down this activity also. If you print out or photocopy of that picture, you have to photocopy of that picture and stick in your notebook and write down the spelling of that rooms, that bedroom, drawing room, dining room, kitchen, and bedroom, etc. Okay, dear students.